So ito guys ang Aura Share. Bluetooth speakers. Aura Share. At may 20 watts siya guys na super sound speakers. So Byte by Share. Bluetooth 5.0 na siya guys. Tapos meron siyang model BS04 version B5.2. Battery capacity guys 4,000 milliamperes. Loudspeaker 10 watts times 2. Transmission range 10 meters. Charging time 6 to 7 hours. Talk time 7 to 8 hours guys. Music time 6. May hanggang 6 to 8 hours siya guys. Power supply USB. Size 81 by 81 2mm. Weight 780. Halos 1 kilo siya guys ang bigat. So buksan na natin guys. Ito guys, napakaganda niyang Aura Share. May cable charger na siya guys. Tapos meron siyang para pang isaksak mo sa amplifier kapag dito guys. So i-on na natin guys. So meron siyang magagandang ilaw. So sound check natin guys. So gagamit tayo ng USB guys dahil isa lang ang cellphone natin pang video. USB.
DJ Bugor. Battle Mix activated.